Bitrue Lending App. The pros, the cons. The Bitrue Lending App allows users to lend their crypto assets to earn interest, turning unused holdings into a consistent revenue stream. Most people get this wrong by assuming lending is risky or complex, but the surprising truth is that Bitrue provides a simple, user-friendly interface with competitive returns. On the pros side, the app supports lending for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several altcoins, offering annual yields up to 12% depending on the asset. Lending terms are flexible, and users can choose short-term or longer-term options to balance liquidity and yield. Bitrue also provides detailed tracking of interest accrual and has strong security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold storage. On the cons side, returns depend on market demand and fluctuate accordingly. Some lending terms require locking crypto for a period, limiting access in volatile markets. Beginners may also find the range of supported coins and lending terms slightly overwhelming at first. In conclusion, the Bitrue Lending App is a solid choice for crypto holders seeking passive income. With competitive yields, user-friendly tools, and robust security, it's a practical platform for both new and experienced investors. Just be mindful of term lengths and market volatility when lending.